Rosa Canina, also known as rosehip oil, is extracted from the wild rose plant. It has been used for hundreds of years for skin, hair, and nails. Natural rosehip oil and rosehip butter are both rich in essential fatty acids and extremely high in organic vitamin C. Natural rosehip is effective in the fight against aging, wrinkles, age spots, and more. It assists with acne and scarring, and it can tame dry, frizzy hair. Natural rosehip aids in the health of stronger nails. It is excellent for reducing stretch marks, and it may assist with dry and itchy skin. Pure, fresh, cold-pressed rosehip oil and handcrafted rosehip butter. Organic vitamin C for the face, hair, and body.